Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Wireless Intelligent Shopping Trolley and Billing System using Raspberry Pi Pico. So in this project we are using an Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 controller board and EM18 RFID module, 125 kHz frequency, Zigbee transmitter module, 2.4 GHz frequency, maximum distance is 30 meters. So there are 4 RFID cards. So we can add and delete the items by using the switch buttons: increment button, decrement button, OK button, and there is a final switch button. Those are connected with 18, 19, 20. Serial communication, it is 2 serial communication 2 is connected to the RX2 and TX2, and a 16 cross 2 LC display, it is connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we are using Zigbee receiver module and connected to the USB to TTL board, TTL to USB converter, and a PC hyper terminal. So there is a Zigbee receiver module, it is connected to the TTL to USB connector, and it is go to computer, and there should be a power supply, 0 to 230 input step down transformer, 9 volts output AC, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED power supply board, 5 volts power supply board, Raspberry Pi Pico RP20404, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And EM18 RFID module, it can read RFID tag with 125 kHz frequency, 9600 baud rate. Zigbee transmitter module, it can send the data up to 30 meter distance. So there is a final switch button, final billing switch button, so increment button, decrement button, and OK switch button. So now I'm going to start the first we have to go for the computer, tools, terminal, flash magic. So there should be tools, terminal, COM port 3. Okay, so now I'm going to start the power supply, wireless smart trolley using RFID and Zigbee. Show the item onto the reader, so 0, and there is no display. So now I'm going to show the card, dairy milk, sorry, good day biscuit packet, it is shown, and item is 0. Now I'm going to increase the items, second, third, fourth, fifth, then OK. So 5 into 15, 75 rupees. So now I'm going for the Rexona soap, 45, then increment, okay, total 5 items, then OK, 300, and I am going for the final bill. Final bill is Rexona 45, 5 items, 225. Good day, 15 rupees, 5 items, 75. Total bill is 10 items, 300 rupees. So now I am going for the another card, dairy milk, increment, you can go for decrement, okay, 4 items, then OK, 420. So if you want to go for the final bill, so it will display the final bill, okay, 3 items are selected. So now I'm going for the fourth item, okay, then OK, then final bill, okay, total 17 items, 495, okay, 495 bill. If I want to remove the items, So already total 5 items are there, so I am okay, delete 3 items. Okay, so good day 3 items. Rexona also 5 items. Go to decrement 3 items. So here dairy milk 4 items, go to 3 items, then okay, and go to Lux 3 items, then go to okay, then go to final bill. All 12 items 345, 12 items 345. So power supply board, EM18 RFID module, Zigbee transmitter module, OK button, final bill button, OK button, increment button, decrement button, 16x2 LCD display, Raspberry Pi Pico board, and here we are using the Zigbee receiver module and TTL to USB converter, and here is the display. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS embedded.